is a free virtual experience that connects classrooms across the globe and allows the opportunity for students to hear real stories of networking success from real people.
I count networking as a huge contributor to my career path and to, getting me where I am today.
The ultimate goal is for you to have mutual interests and be able to help each other mutually.
Our goal is to inspire students to reach out and try something new and talk to people they've never talked to before.
And you can't get where you're going by yourself for a long period of time. You need people, and you never know where your next mentor will come from.
Students gain valuable advice so that they can start building their own professional network today while they're still in high school.
It's not only growing your network and creating it, but it's keeping it over the course of time, and you all growing together and learning from each other, and then creating a strong network as you grow in the world.